This is Phuket Today. We bring you the latest on the ongoing weather crisis gripping the island, with a focus on the severe impact in Patong. Phuket is reeling this week following a catastrophic weather event that unleashed torrential downpours, flash floods, and a devastating landslide, crippling the infrastructure of one of Thailand's most popular tourist destinations, Patong. The relentless rain began in the early hours, pounding the island for over 6 consecutive hours, recording rainfall levels exceeding what is typically seen in an entire week. The intensity of this deluge immediately overwhelmed the existing drainage systems, turning major roads in Patong, Kathu, and Cheung Talay into fast-flowing rivers. The most dramatic and disruptive incident occurred on the vital arterial route of Patong Hill. A powerful landslide, triggered by the saturated ground, struck a key section of Pisitkarani Road, effectively severing the main connection between Patong and the rest of the island. The collapse involved a significant volume of earth, mud, and debris, rendering the road completely impassable. This immediate closure has triggered widespread travel chaos for both residents and the thousands of tourists attempting to travel to and from Patong Beach. Emergency crews, supported by heavy machinery, were deployed immediately, working around the clock to clear the massive volume of debris. Officials have warned that the closure could last for several days as engineers assess the structural integrity of the remaining hillside and work to stabilize the slope. The scale of the damage is substantial, with a nearby house even reported to be at risk of collapse. Travel alternatives are extremely limited. Motorists are being rerouted to secondary roads, such as Phet Kasem Road, leading to significant congestion and delays throughout the entire district. This disruption is not only affecting daily commutes, but is also severely impacting logistics, with supplies struggling to reach Patong's hotels and businesses. The economic toll on the tourism-reliant economy is expected to be significant. As the rain has finally subsided, attention now shifts fully to the arduous task of recovery and damage assessment. Local administration offices in the affected districts, including Kathu, are coordinating the cleanup efforts. The immediate priorities are the full restoration of the Patong Hill Road and the extensive clearing of flooded commercial and residential areas. The damage is not confined to Patong. Other districts like Kamala also reported the Bang Yai Canal overflowing, forcing dozens of families to evacuate. In response to this recurring problem, local leaders are now seeking urgent central government support for long-term infrastructure improvements. There is a renewed focus on addressing the chronic issues of inadequate drainage and the vulnerability of the island's steep hillsides to landslides.